Can I just like one piece, only one? How much?
200 rupees.
No, one egg. Yeah, how much? Wait. Sana matamis. Everybody. Okay, Toretto here. For today's video, come with me. Sa hindi ko rin alam. Sa totoo lang. May nakita ako, I saw something like a flower market. It says like 1 hour away. Kapag nilakad, if you walk, it's like 1 hour away. If you ride like Uber, it's just like 15 minutes. So, I wanna walk first. Then if I get tired and lazy, I'm gonna ride Uber na. I haven't eaten anything yet. So, ayan. Nagbay lang ako ng apple. And it's 2 p.m. Bakit? Tamad lang ako today. So, come with me. Oh, we're here in Jaipur, India. Let's go! You know what's the hardest part of traveling in India? To cross the road. Yes. This is like one of the hardest part to do here. Because you're literally just gonna die. So now it's stopped. Okay. Pwede na tayong tumawid. And it's scary kasi even the light is red. See? People still keeps popping around. Left to right. So you really have to be careful. See, my English is not even working because I'm so focused sa pagtawid because I don't wanna die. Okay, let's keep walking. Shukriya. Also looking for food, honestly. So, yun lang. Let's keep walking. It's 2 in the afternoon, so it's still early. I still have like an hour and a half to eat, to rest, to drink chai. Yeah?
Chutney.
Yeah. Okay. But no spicy, yeah? Sauce? Gravy? Okay.
Sauce.
Yeah, okay. I told you, everybody. Ano kaya yun? Alu parata. We still have time, so here I am. First, I'm gonna eat samosa. And then on my way back, I'm gonna look for biryani for the dinner. Shukriya! Uy, samosa. Makain muna tayo. Hap. Kaya, samosa. Hindi ko nagandaan sa sarili ko today. Wala lang. Feeling ko ang dry. Ang dry ng buhok, ang dry ng itsura. Kaya mo na. Pagod kasi ako kaka-travel, uy. Sa totoo lang, pagod ako. It's offering me something. Sana hindi spicy. Sana libre na rin. Charis. Ano kaya itong binibigay niya sa akin? Gusto ko yan, mga pasabaw, yung mga... Hello? The one that looks like dal, I like that. Shukriya. Spicy daw.
Hot.
Hot? Yeah. Oh. Spicy, go. I like hot food. But not spicy. Sana hindi maya. Shit, parang ang anghang na. Good, but spicy. Shukriya. Wala, masarap pero spicy. Hi everybody, a very quick update. I stumbled upon this market while heading to the fort. Nakalimutan ko yung tawag sa port. Parang Aragara Port. I'm okay, thank you. So, ayun. So, we have to cross that. We have to cross there. So, again, good luck. My God. Ano kaya to? Wait lang ha. I can see some gates. Later na nga yan. Magpo-focus ako sa pupuntahan ko. So, I will teach you how to make the wed. If you don't see any cars, then start running. My God! Okay, run. Like that, run. Oh, you don't see any cars, run again. Unless you wanna die. Hoy, I think nasa ano ako, center ako. For some reason, there's a lot of things happening here. Okay. So yun lang, just showing you a bit about what's happening around. And I can see a lot of Indian women here, more conservative because they are literally like, ano ba? Paano ba sabihin to? Wala, Jollibee yun. For now, let's keep walking. Hala, Muhammad Palace. Mukhang may biryani sila. Okay, I will go back there. I'm still full, I guess. Oh, you know what? I'll check now. It's still early. I wanna eat first. Mukhang mas gusto ko si Muhammad Palace. Hello. Wait lang. Ito kay Muhammad Palace. Mukhang ano mukhang mas marami na tao. Yes. Ay, parang same lang naman pala. Wait nga. Tignan natin what's the ganap. Let's ask if they have biryani. Hello, hello.
Hello, ma'am.
Mga favorite ko, oh. Hello. Doon tayo sa biryani. May mutan biryani kaya sila. Do you have mutan biryani?
Mutton biryani.
Have? Ah, wait. Diba? O, diba? Mag-laps muna ako. Excuse me. Can I have this, please? Wait. The Muton Dum Biryani?
Dum biryani.
Yeah, 2 pieces half. Not a lot of bones, yeah?
Mutton dum biryani.
Nah, the bones, no, not too much. Fatty biryani. Okay. Hello. Cutie-cutie to, oh. Asan yung ano ko, shit? Ano nang gagawin ko? Sorry, should I go up? Ang hirap makipag-usap dito. Upstairs? Ah, okay, cool. Yeah, okay, cool. For the food there, yeah? Ah, okay. Ano mo nangyayari? Wait, I'm just gonna have to eat, that's it. Kung saan nyo ako dinadala. I told you, I'm still early. And it's still hot, so I still have like 40 minutes to spend outside before I go to my wherever I should. Wait nga, check ko na kung anong tawag. Nahargarh Fort. If that's the right pronunciation. So we're going to Nahargarh Fort. And I'm like 3 kilometers away. Okay, let's have a food again. Again. This is gonna be like my lunch and dinner. I'm just gonna have like some dessert later, that's it. And yeah. So early dinner, it's 3 p.m. What time did I say earlier? 2 p.m.? I told you. I'm walking very slow lang. Hoy. Salad, alam mo yan. Wala, talaga naman. Ang mga video ko, trending. Sibuyas. Favorite ko to, sibuyas. Na raw. Naku. Raw sibuyas. My favorite. Pipino, sibuyas, kamatis, lime. Pinagsama-sama yung paborito ko. Favorite ko to. You're the same outside, yeah? Okay, cool. Thank you. Shukriya. Yeah, Mutton biryani. Shukriya. Mutton biryani. Kaya alam mo ba? Natamad ako mag-vlog for today's video. Wala lang. Pagod kasi ako. Bakit? Pwede namang mapagod sa buhay ako.
Extra.
Ang sorry?
Wasted. Extra plate.
Okay.
Wasted.
Okay. Hindi ko na-gets pero okay. Okay na lang. Importante mabait siya. Ang sarap. Ay. In fairness, naintindihan ako ng receptionist kanina. Pati yung binigay niya sa akin. Amazing. I deserve this. Because I walk almost 1 hour na. And I'm also gonna walking back. And I'm also gonna walk going back. Hoy, everybody, tapos na akong kumain. Walk again. Another 30 minutes walk. Mali yata yung location na una ko nilagay. I just finished eating, so I have to walk another 30 minutes because I'm walking very slow. Because I want to be there on sunset. On top of the Naharga, something like that fort. And it's so madumi. It's too much basura, but let's go. Everybody, nakikita ko na. Okay. So this is it, everybody. We are going there. And it's still too early. I wanna be there, around 4:30. So the sun is not sunning. And the lighting is good. Okay, so let's go. Let's do it. Let's keep walking and let's try to find the best way on how we can go here. Let's go. Let's do it. Everybody, so we are like a kilometer away. 1.5 kilometer away. Nargara? I think that's how they pronounce it. So, yeah. We're actually going there. So, yeah. And I'm readying my knees and toes, my shoulders, my head, charis. Because I know that this is gonna be like hiking Kinemperut. And I think I just arrived at the right time. I almost thought that I was late. Actually, I'm a little bit late. And I'm also not in the mood much. The vlogger is not vlogging. Nimber na kasi ako nung kausap ko kayo ng Indiano, na bad trip ako. Dami niyang tanong in life, sabi niya. So I was not in the mood, I was in the mood earlier. But it was gone. The mood is gone. Because there was this like one guy who talked to me. He was like, why people don't like talk to Indians? Why do you hate Indians? I was like, nagsasabi mo? Naglalakad ka lang, tapos may mga ganong tanong. Sinong di mabubuisit? Diba? Okay, let's go up. Let's not affect the mood because I'm near. And showing you a bit of the place on how it looks like. Di ba nakaka-burn yung mga busina? So, ayun. Taray, may palinis na nagaganap sa balcony. So, ayun, everybody. Let's keep walking. Okay, so we are really near. I have been saying that we are near, but I'm still walking. Why not? Because I'm walking very slow. Yeah, because I just ate. Everybody comment down below if you have seen a vlogger before na pag wala sa mood, wala sa mood. Pero nagbablog pa din. Because I'm showing you the reality of life. That even that I'm not in the mood sometimes. And that's okay. There's nothing wrong about being not in the mood. The only difference is that I make vlogs and I upload this video on YouTube. So I will be judged by a lot of people. But tamang daan. Ito na. Oh, everybody, this is the way. Hala, the hiking starts here. Oh my God. This came at the right time. The sunset is sunsetting. Like, oh, let's do it. Hello. Buti na lang na good mood ako. Yung dami mga batang nag-hi. Ganun yung mga nakaka-good mood eh. Okay, let's keep walking. My God, it's uphill. So nakakapagod. Ay, may patricks naman pala. Talaga naman. Hala, more up. My God, alikabok is alikabok. Yung nakakaloka. I hope the place is rewarding because I walk almost 5 kilometers for this. Because I wanna exercise and be productive. So, ayun. Here we are. I'm excited. Let's go. Let's do it. Ay, talaga naman. Shit, paakyat siya. Hello. Pagod mo. May nag-hi. Nag-hi sila. Bye-bye! So, to everyone who's planning to go here, you can do Uber, actually. But no nga, I want to do exercise today.
Namaste.
Namaste! Ayan, kasi di ba, oh. Di na tayo kakasya, umandar kayo. Niyo kung inaano. Di ba? Palaaway ako. Kaya ka pang sumakay, kita mong di na nga kayo magkasya dyan. Charis. Wait, so nakakapagod. Ay. I keep talking, I didn't realize na this is my view na pala. Kaya ang ganda. Worth it naman pala. Hala, amazing. Oh, hala. Ah. Whew. Ah. Hello. Ah, more up. Oh, if you're planning to go here, don't forget your water, ha? Yes. Oh, everybody. Hello. Oh. This is Jaipur, India. To all my friends in Dubai, my Indian friends in Dubai who lives in Jaipur. This is your city. It's beautiful. Ah, talaga naman ng mga bata. The hiking is hiking shit. Okay, I need to keep hiking because I don't know until what time is this open. I think just 5:30, I'm not sure. So, ay, ang ganda. Amazing. Hello? Wait nga. Just showing you more on how it looks like to be here. So, we keep hiking. My God, there's other people taking rest as well. Because it's mataas. Imagine mo na magdiras ka ng ganyan, Mi. Sag-hike ka ng bundok. Talaga naman. Hoy. Shoot ang ina. Taas. Whew, let me show you everybody. Taas niya, shoota. Sakay niyo ako. Huwag niyo akong iningitian masyado. Kasi sasama ako. Pag ganitong pagod na ako. Thank you. Thank you. I'm okay, thank you. Kailangan ko mag-hike. Kailangan kong panindigan to. Diba? O, laban sila sa motorcycle. Diba? Wah! Magawa da, shoota. Pahinga ako ulit, pagod na ako. Tangina, taas. Nakakainis naman to. Ba, yung mga desisyon ko naman talaga sa buhay. Itong mga bata dito, puro pagpapakyut. Okay, sure. Yeah. Wait. Picture pala yun. Say hi to my vlog. Hello.
फोटो खींचना मेरे को चालू का ये तो बढ़िया था सही नहीं आ रही यार सही नहीं आ रही
What do you mean?
अंधेरा आ रहा है डार्क
Oh yeah, I like this. Okay. Shukriya. Oh, everybody, that's gonna be it. So, we have reached the top. Ayun na yan. There's still like stairs going up, but I don't think that I'm gonna go there na. I just really wanted to see this, honestly. So, ayun na yun. That's gonna be it. I'm tired na. And I think it's just gonna be the same view from there. So ayun.
take one.
Sure.
Nature.
Good? Alright, thank you. You're welcome. Napagod na talaga ako, ma. Let's pick the shoes. The shoes is shoeing. My God. Yeah, you can. It's okay. You can. No worries. Thank you.
It's a YouTube video?
Yeah, it is.
YouTuber?
Yeah.
What kind of YouTube channel it is? Vlog channel?
Sorry?
Vlog channel?
What's Black Channel?
Vlog.
Vlog. Oh, yeah, vlog channel. Yeah. Kind of like that, yeah. It's Kay Toretto. I can type it for you. Sorry, I'm tired. So I'm not standing up. Napagod, di ba? Bakit?
Which country you belong?
Sorry?
From which country you belong?
I am from the Philippines. Yeah.
Philippines.
Okay. I think I'm gonna go up. Why not? Let's go up. Hello. We'll try it again. We're gonna try to keep going up. Ay, buti umakit ako. Mas maganda pala. Good thing I decided to go up a bit more because the place is rewarding. Let's show it again. Oh, everybody. Whew. Ganda. Amazing. I like it. I love the place. Appreciate the beauty. Diba, hinihingal ako. Trying to catch my breath. That's it. It's amazing. It's beautiful. Mukha may motor tong mga batang to. Makiangkas kaya ako pababa. Diba? Mapapicture nga ako sa kanila. Total, nagka-picture sila sa akin. Picture din ako. Picturean nyo rin ako. Pagod na ako. Okay, let me just show you like how near I am. So basically, this is the fort. See? That's the fort and this is the view. See? Ayun lang. Oh, everybody, so yeah, that's gonna be it. So yeah, that's the fort and here I am. We're not gonna go there na. I'm really tired. And if you wanna go there, you're also gonna pay like 200. And I've noticed that even the locals just like go somewhere here, take pictures, and then they go down. They don't really go inside. They just literally like take pictures here. So again, that's gonna be it. Kay Toretto here. Whatever you're doing, I hope that you're having a good day. And if not, tomorrow is another day. Goodbye. Everybody, so if you're thinking that we don't have a bonus clip for today's video, yes, we have. So we are heading to Hawa Mahal. That's gonna be my last stop before I head back to my hostel. So, ayun, we are riding the Uber right now. Okay, let's do it. Let me show you just like a bit of the place. And this is also like the Pink City. They call this like Pink City because it's not pink, it's orange. But okay, let me show you. So yeah, diba? Bonus clip, everybody enjoy the ride with my Uber. Tawan-tawa yung Uber ko. Tatawa siya. Ay! Talaga naman. Papatayin mo pa kami, kuya. Kita nyo yun, everybody see. Ay! The Pink City is orangey. Sinasarot nila ako sa pink. Orange to. Ay. Para tong Spain, tong part na to. You know what, in India, you will not, you will not be able to reach your destination without dying. Hindi ko lang kung paano sabihin sa English, basta Hindi ko rin alam sa Tagalog, wait lang, alam ko yan, wait lang. Yung isang paa mo nasa hukay, basta ganun. 1 feet is in the graveyard. Kuya, careful ha. Ay, naku pa siya sinasabihan maging careful. Oo, kasi mamamatay na ako. Kaka-orkot dahil. You know what? I will stay here. I mean, I will walk around. Not stay. Just walk around lang. Diba? Road rage. Road rage in India. Charis. Ay, talaga naman. Diyos ko pa. Shoota ka. Everybody, if the video is vibrating, because I'm vibrating too. Oh, this place looks interesting. I think I wanna walk around here after I go check Hawa Mahal. I wanna check it now because the sunset. The best time to go there is sunset. So I was able to go to 2 places. Not yet, but almost. Diba? Hinati ko yung sunset. Half sa... I tried dividing the sunset. Half for the fort and half for the Hawa Mahal. But first, let me survive this traffic. Diba? I hope I will arrive safe. If not, I'm so sorry, everybody. Ay! Ay, galit na galit naman. Masyado ka naman makabusina, talaga naman. O, di mo kaya. Vlogging while riding the motorcycle. Why not? Let's see if I can survive this. But I can. I have to believe that I can. I cannot afford to have any accidents. Ay, this place looks interesting. Ay, ang ganda nun. Wait lang, I'll show you. Oh, look at that. Wait, oh, look at that. My God, yung hawak ko sa driver ko, sinasakal ko na siya. Tinatawan niyo na lang yung pagsakal ko sa kanya. No, kuya, no? Kuya. I swear to God, like, as of this moment, I'm no longer aiming to make a good vlog. I'm just thinking about my safety. Seryoso. That's all what I'm thinking about right now. I'm not even thinking to get a good footage. Basta makarating na rin ng buhay, humihinga, walang gasgas. Okay na ako doon. Kuya, dahan-dahan na. Slowly. Alam yung pagkakahawa ko sa kanya, kapag bubunggo na kami, sinasakal ko siya, girl. Ay! Diyos ko naman talaga, India. Ay, ito na siguro yan. Shoot, ang liit lang pala. Akala ko ang laki-laki. Ah, so this is it? Ah, I thought it's big. Sa Google talaga. Okay, I'll pay. Wait lang. Hi everybody, that's gonna be it. I have just arrived. I survived the ride. Ah, kala ko ang laki-laki nito. I really thought that it was big, but look at it. Oh, ayan siya. In person, it doesn't look big, ha? It looks okay, but it's beautiful. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's take a picture. Let's try to, like, get a good shot. Papagawa ako sa kanto ng monumento nito. Imagine mo sa circle, no? May ganyan. Mega. Imagine the monumento of the Caloocan will become a tourist attraction. Why not? Okay, let's try to take a good picture even if, like, there's a lot of people around. Let's do it. Everybody, that's the bonus clip. Oh, ayun siya. Wait, I'll show you a bit more. Wait.
Hello, ma'am. Let's take a picture.
I'm okay, thank you. That's a good one, though. Ang cute ng bagets. Nag-ano ng picture. Oh, everybody, that's gonna be it. So, yeah. Thank you. I'm okay. The Philippines. Everybody, so that's gonna be it. Shit. I was able to arrive in my last location. This is the bonus clip. This is like what they call the Pink City. So I think I was able to give you like a short ride going here from the fort. I'm just saying fort because di ko kasi ma-pronounce. Parang Agra, something like that. But anyways, yeah, okay.
Hello.
Like, hello. A very quick picture here, and then we will go. Kakagulo na naman yung mga tao. The people are peopling. Hello. Oh, okay. So let's try to take a good picture here. Oh, everybody, this is it lang. Oh, everybody, so this is like where I'm gonna end. Oh, everybody, so this is like where I'm gonna end my vlog for today. I hope that you enjoyed watching. Hala, I hope that you enjoy watching my vlogging today. I was able to arrive safely. And that's gonna be it. Whatever you are, whatever you're doing, I hope that you're having a good day. Okay, Toretto here, closing the vlog here in Jaipur, and see you in my next state here in India. So, ayun. Lang, bago ko i-end tong vlog na to. So, we have been in, my first ever stop was West Bengal, Kolkata, and then I went to Varanasi, and then Agra, and now Jaipur. So, let's see like what's gonna be like my next stop. So, keep watching, and then let's see how it goes. Okay, bye-bye.